Hello everyone and welcome. The time has come where I have to pack my makeup. I have to pack everything and put them into boxes and get ready for moving. I am moving at the end of next week and I have been putting off doing this for as long as I could. Now it is time to do it. I keep saying to myself, but what if I use them? What if I need something from there and it's all packed up? But you know what? 1.5 weeks, it's not enough time. I have other stuff I have to worry about. I cannot worry about fine packing my makeup. So that's what we're doing today. I'm gonna take you with me because if I have to do this, then you have to watch, right? I do believe that this could be something fun to watch, maybe. I don't know. It will probably be a time lapse. Unless I have something to say, I will speed it up, put a movie or a series or something, and let's start packing. I'm gonna start with my 𝐼𝐿𝐋𝐋𝐿 drawer, and then I will try to also get some of the other stuff that I have on my other unit. I do have more everyday stuff there, so it will probably not that many stuff there that I will pack, but definitely be some. All right, I think I'm gonna be using these boxes right here. Well, I have to fix them first. They're not that big. They're about, this size, and I do prefer to do this. I did this the last time too because I don't want to put too much in one box because there's a bigger possibility of something breaking. I will try to pack them as tight as possible to avoid any damages. So let's start then. Alright, so here we have the first box. It actually fit all of my eyeshadow palette and all of my base products, basically bronzers, highlighters and blushes. It's everything here. It is a little bit heavy, but I think it will be fine. I packed it as tight as I could. I think everything will be fine. Let's hope. I will try to keep it on top of other boxes so that nothing bad happens, but you never know. Perfect. Now I have, I would say, about half of my makeup left. So I think one more box would be enough for all of my makeup, which is kind of crazy. All right, let's keep going. Alright, so this is the second box. I filled it basically with everything else. We have foundations, primers, setting sprays, lashes, lip products, different pigments and face paints and stuff like that. I think I'm gonna close it here. I might add stuff later, like small stuff, if I have forgotten something in the end. And then I think I'm gonna do one more box with my nail polishes and maybe some brushes too. We'll see how that goes. 2 boxes with almost all my makeup collection. That's kind of crazy. I thought it would take a lot more. All right, let's continue. All right, this is the next day. I got tired of packing yesterday, so I gave up. I did actually start pretty late, and it is pretty late right now too. Don't let the light fool you. It is 8:30 p.m. Yeah, it is what it is. I never learn. I was editing all day and my back hurts, and I thought I should do something different. That also requires me to sit like this, so I don't know. Let's pick up where I left off. I was going to do all of my nail polishes, and from the last time that I moved, I remember it took a lot longer than I actually thought it would. And this time around, obviously I have more than last time. Yeah, this is gonna be a long process too. And yes, I do have this t-shirt in 5 colors. Let's do another time lapse. Okay, so here's everything. It almost took the whole box. I was expecting it would take a little bit less space, but now I'm gonna fill the rest of this with brushes. So let's go across the room to my other unit. All right, so those were all the interesting things I had to pack. I finished all of my makeup. Well, there's still some here. I mostly have my everyday stuff here that I will not be packing in the boxes. I packed almost all of my brushes. I have a few this year that I need to wash, and then I'll pack them too. And then the brushes that I'm keeping. I packed all of my perfumes and my nail polishes. Wow, I've actually basically done pretty much everything of my beauty stuff. That was quite a bit of work actually, because they are small things and they do take a lot of time. It took me 2 sessions. I don't think I'm gonna be filming more from the moving out process. I might film some TikToks or shorts or something like that. We'll see how it goes, how much time I'll have, or how stressed I'll be at the end. The next thing about this move will probably be settling into the new apartment, which I haven't found yet, and I'm moving out in 10 days, less than 10 days, so that's fun. Next time you see me, hopefully I will be at my new apartment or at my parents' place. That wouldn't be very fun. Alright, thank you so much for watching. I hope this wasn't boring for you. Do the whole thing, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you at my new place. Alright, bye for now.